Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you an amazing treatment that you can use once in a week that will help turn your dry, damaged hair to be moisturized and for extreme hair growth. For this treatment, first what we're going to need is aloe vera plant. So that is what we're going to need in today's treatment. Yes, my aloe vera are still babies. So you start by getting your aloe vera and cutting out the whitish ends of the aloe vera, as you can see the gel. Then also you cut out the spiky parts. You have to be careful when cutting out the spiky parts so that you don't, at the end of the day, you don't cut out the gel with the spiky part. So you have to be extra careful when cutting out that part. Then when you're done with each side of the aloe vera plant, then we're now going to cut the aloe vera plant into small pieces. So before we move to the next step, I'll be sharing with you amazing benefits of using aloe vera gel or aloe vera plant or aloe vera juice generally, or aloe vera generally. So aloe vera helps to promote healthy hair growth by removing dead skin cells from our scalp that can clog our scalp. So if you're having like product build up, you can actually use aloe vera to remove any form of dead skin cells or anything that is clogging your scalp. So it also helps to remove that. Also promotes hair growth. Aloe vera also balances the pH of our hair and scalp. And another amazing benefit is it also helps the hair to retain moisture, more water and moisture, and conditions the hair and the scalp. So guys, in summary, aloe vera is the bomb. Like, it has amazing, wonderful benefits, and if you haven't tried it, please go try it out. So that is it. So now I'm just going to be rushing this part. So now I'm done cutting the aloe vera into small pieces. This is how it looks like. So now you're going to take a piece of aloe vera, and then you're going to take out the outer layer. As you can see, the outer layer, the green plants from the aloe vera, so that you can be able to access the gel. You can be able to take out the gel from it. So that's what I'm going to be doing for every piece that I take. All you just need to do is get your knife, and then you're going to cut out the outer part of it so that you can be able to take out the gel from the plants. So I'll be speeding up this process so that the video isn't too long. You're going to get a bowl, and then I'm going to get each piece of the aloe vera that I cut, the small pieces, and I'm going to take out the gel. As you can see, I'm using a spoon. I don't know, I prefer using a spoon than using a knife when it comes to taking out gel, because I feel like the spoon removes all of the gel. Like, it's easier for me to work with a spoon, but you can decide to use a knife if you want to, but me, I prefer using a spoon. This is how the aloe vera looks like. You can see how gooey and sticky it is. This is how I love my aloe vera. I want it to be gooey and sticky. This is the texture I want. So what I'm going to be doing now is that I'm going to be putting the aloe vera gel into the blender, so that I'm going to blend it out. And because I don't really like applying it directly to my, I prefer like when it's a bit blended. So now I'm going to be adding honey into the with the aloe vera juice. So what the benefit of using honey is that honey is a great humectant, and is a great humectant, which is a great moisturizer. And honey helps to smooth the hair follicles, which adds shine to dull hair. So honey is very, very amazing if you want to moisturize your hair. So that is what I'm going to be adding honey. Then I'm going to be adding a little bit of water, so that the mixture doesn't get too sticky and I don't have chunks of the aloe vera gel on my hair. So you're just going to add a little bit of water, because I want it to have that gooey kind of feeling. So now you're going to be blending all the mixtures together. If you notice what I'm doing, I am blending it and I'm stopping it. I'm blending it and I'm stopping it, because I don't want it to be fully blended. I don't want it to be extremely smooth. I want it to still have that gooey feeling. So that is the reason why I'm blending and I'm stopping, so that it doesn't blend fully. And that's the reason why I did not add too much water, because I want it to have that gooey feeling on my hair. So now you're going to get a sieve to sieve out the gel and remove any form of unwanted particles that you don't want on your hair, because some of these things can actually cause itchiness to your scalp if you're not being careful. So that's why I'm sieving it. You can actually use a stock cap or cheesecloth, but me, I don't have that at the moment, so I decided to just use a siever. You can actually also use a sieve to actually sieve out the gel. So now you're going to add a bit of olive oil. Yes, my olive oil has finished, so I added the last one. And you're also going to add a bit of sweet almond oil to it. And these oils have amazing benefits. So you're going to stir it well and thoroughly, so that they both mix well together. So this is how the mixture looks like, and now I'm going to transfer it into the bottle. So now I've transferred the mixture into the spray bottle, and then I'm going to show you guys how I apply it on my hair. So now I'm taking out the hairband I put on my hair. I'm taking out my hair for pre-poo, ready for pre-poo. So as you can see how dry, brittle my hair looks, it looks really, really dry. So now I'm going to apply the treatment on my hair, and you're going to see how my hair looks after applying the treatment. So I put my hair in sections because it's easier for me to work with in sections, and I'm going to take out that section of my hair, and I'm going to get the treatment, and you're going to spray it at that section of your hair. I'm spraying it at the section of my hair, and I'm going to massage the treatment thoroughly from the roots to the ends of my hair. Very important. You're going to make sure you massage it well to the roots and the end, and also you're going to finger the tangle to remove any form of knots or tangles on your hair. You see, I put it on at the ends of my hair. Very important. And yeah, so that's what you're going to do. You're going to make sure you massage it thoroughly to your hair. So this is how my hair looks like after. Guys, see the shrinkage? See how my hair just shrinked up so fast? Can you see how smooth and my hair looks? And it's easier for me to even run my fingers through it, and I haven't even used a comb. So I'm going to put my hair back in twists. During my pre-poo, I don't use a comb or anything. I just finger the tangle when I pre-poo. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. I'm just going to put my hair back in twists, and I'm going to be doing the same thing to the other sections of my hair. I'm just going to be rushing this process because like I said, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm just going to be rushing the remaining process of while I'm applying the product to the other sections of my hair. Guys, I just wanted to show you the shrinkage. Like, look at how my hair has shrunken up. Like, wow, our hair is super amazing. So this is how my hair looks like after I applied treatment. You can see the difference, how shiny the hair looks and how it's looking, already looking moisturized. And I have not even done my wash day. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to get my processing cap, and I am going to leave it for 2 hours and then proceed to my wash day. So that is what I do during pre-poo. I use this as a pre-poo, or you can use oils, but this is what I do. So guys, don't forget, that is all on today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button by giving this a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. Bye, and see you guys next time. Mwah.